The first step in payout operations is to perform all startup procedures as outlined in your operator's manual. Next, raise the level wind to the upward standby position utilizing the level wind control screen. Once the level wind is fully raised, the operator can return to the main screen by pressing the Home button on the control panel. Alternatively, the operator can manually raise the level wind by pressing the Raise button on the exterior hydraulic control panel. Once the level wind is raised, and while outside of the cab, the operator may gather all needed tools to unsecure the pulling rope from the pulling rope drum, as well as to attach any appropriate pulling swivels and/or grips to the pulling line. Once the pulling rope is loosed from the drum, attach any appropriate pulling swivels and/or grips to the pulling line. When utilizing a pulling swivel, it is important to ensure that the pulling swivel is appropriately rated for the conditions and forces of the pull. When utilizing a pulling swivel, it is important to ensure that the pulling swivel pins are secured properly prior to operations. It is also important to inspect pulling swivels and grips for any signs of damage or corrosion. Once completed, get back inside the cab and turn off the automatic level wind control utilizing the door panel rocker switch. Select tension mode on the system control display by pressing and holding the winch mode button for 3 seconds. Next, set the tension limit for the machine utilizing the rotational control knob. Clockwise motions can be used to increase the tension limit, while counterclockwise motions can be used to decrease the tension limit. Once the desired tension is reached, press the knob in to lock in the new tension limit. Once the tension is set, the operator may begin payout operations and apply the tension by depressing the joystick trigger. Then pull back slightly on the joystick, bringing it out of neutral, and then pause for several seconds for the brake to release. As soon as the brake releases, the operator will notice the drum beginning to rotate very slowly backward toward the operator. This is designed to pull out any slack in the line. Once the slack has been pulled up and the line tension is equalized, the line may be pulled off of the drum at the preset tension. During payout operations, the operator should continue to monitor line speed and line tension, as well as the footage counter. The tension limits can be adjusted during operations by rotating the control knob at the top of the display. To increase the tension for the system, rotate the control knob clockwise. To decrease the tension, rotate the control knob counterclockwise. Once the tension is adjusted, press the knob in to lock in the new tension setting. Once the pulling rope is paid out and the pulling machine stops pulling the pulling line, place the joystick control into the center neutral position to ensure that the hydraulic drum brake is set. Once the hydraulic drum brake is set, this will conclude payout operations.